Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'll be showing you how you can get started with OBS. OBS is an amazing software which will help you to create explainer videos. You can use it for YouTube or any other social media channels. It's completely free to use. You can just download it. I put the link in the description of this video. Also, yeah, you don't have to pay any money. If you are a beginner who's getting started with YouTube videos, this will really come in handy. So yeah, anyways, keep watching this video till the end. So when we get started with OBS, this is how the screen will look like. It will be completely empty. We can also change the settings by going to Tools and Auto Configuration Wizard. In case you're finding any settings missing while you start up, just click on Optimize for Streaming Recording or Optimize just for recording. I'll not be streaming. So I'll just go ahead and choose Optimize just for recording because I'll not be doing any live streaming, and just click OK. And it will help us to choose which resolution we want. I'll be using my base resolution, my auto resolution, and the frames can be 30 or 60. Just let it be, so we don't have to make any issues in the beginning. Just click OK and just apply settings. Okay, so this will automatically configure the settings. And so on the left we will be able to see all the scenes that we can add. So it automatically has a scene 1 selected. We can also add multiple scenes here. For now I'll be using just one scene. So inside the scene are the sources. Here we'll be able to add anything like the camera, the display. We can add a microphone, audio input. You can even add a browser. So I'll just go ahead and use I'll be using my Windows, the desktop. So I'll just add the desktop and name it as desktop 1, or just name it desktop so that it will be just easy to understand. Press OK. So this is how my desktop will be looking like. So you can choose the resolution. Resolution will be automatically selected, so you will not be able to change that. Capture method automatic. There's some more options, but I'll just go ahead with automatic and press OK. So this is how our desktop will look like once we add our window capture to this device. So this is basically where you'll be working on, and you'll be able to record the screen and everything. Once you press on start recording, it will start recording. So but we haven't added our camera yet. So what we can do right now, the next step will be to add a camera. So we can add source and choose video capture device. Okay, here we can rename it to camera. So we will be adding our main camera. This is the one I'm using right now. So you don't have to change any settings, just go ahead and choose the camera. Make sure to connect your camera properly, otherwise you'll not see all these options. So it's always better to check what kind of camera will suit with your device, and you can live stream or record as you wish. So press OK, don't change any settings, just go ahead and press OK. So this is how my camera is looking at the moment, and I can reduce the size and everything, and I'll be just placing it to the corner of this window. So this is how it looks right now. This is how the camera will be looking like. It's not really great to see a big giant rectangle on the screen. So what we have to do is make it a little more elegant. So I'll be making this into a big circle so that it'll be much more cleaner to record videos or show anything on the desktop. So for this reason we'll be adding a filter to the camera or an overlay. Just right click on the camera and select filters, and once inside you'll be seeing a lot of effect filters here. Right now it's empty, so what we are going to be doing is adding some effects. Okay, so I'll let you guys download all the images and files in the description of this video. Make sure to download it. Just click on the plus sign and add an image mask. Okay, just press OK. So what it's doing is it's asking us for a path to those images, a circular image that we want to add to our camera. Just click on browse. So these files I'll let you guys download, as I told you before. Just click on the circular mask and click OK. This is the first one I'm choosing. Just click OK. Once you're done, this is how your camera will be looking like. It's much more better, and you don't need to change any settings. Just click close. You don't change all the opacity and everything. Just click close, and so that's it guys. Now you have a very good circular camera which we can use for recording videos or just showing others in live streaming or doing anything like you wish to do on YouTube or any other place if you want to make tutorials or things like that. And this is how the camera will look like right now. So what the next thing that I will be doing is adding a neon circle on top of the camera so that it will look much more better. Okay, so what we're going to be doing is to the sources itself, we'll be adding a small image. Just click on the plus sign here and choose image. Here we're going to be naming it as neon and click OK. So after that they'll be asking us for an image file that we want to add. We'll just click on browse. So I'll be choosing the third one here. This is the neon image and just click OK. So we're going to be adding this circular neon image onto our camera, and they just added a blank neon image and it's completely transparent, and you can add this right onto your screen, onto your camera, and this is how it will look like, right? It's look much more better, right? If you guys don't like this neon image, you can hide it as well. Just click on the eye icon here and you can hide it very easily, okay, while you're live streaming or doing any recording. Okay, for now I'm just going to turn it back on. So if you want to, you can also put the neon behind the camera. So just drag the neon onto the camera. So what happens is the neon will go behind the camera and it looks much more elegant. Okay, so this is how you guys can add images and masks to your OBS screen, and once you're done you can just start recording. So that's it guys, thank you for watching. If you guys want, as I told you, the links are in the description below. You can download OBS from the website. You can also download the image masks I mentioned. That's it guys, thank you for watching. Hope you guys really liked the video. If you did, do subscribe to my channel, and also I'll be making more videos in the future. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.